What up, YouTube? Look at the big freaking giant turkeys we got. Got 3 of them. Already strutting. Starting to get their beard a little bit. Look at that, he's starting to get a little baby beard in there. Little beard, look at that little beard. But yeah, I love these guys. Man, they're so much fun to learn and watch what they do, pick them up. Man, they're about 60 pounds right now. Probably around 50 pounds. They're heavy. We don't know which one of these 3 stooges are going to be for Thanksgiving. We don't know Larry, Mo, or Curly. We don't know which one yet. But man, these guys are beautiful.